So here's my literature map. I have an independent variable of retirement and a dependent variable of health. So I'm looking at these two constructs. And I have literature about how health is measured, some predictors of health. I have literature about retirement, how retirement is measured, predictors of retirement. And then the intersection between health and retirement, there's retirement predicting health literature and literature about health predicting retirement. So there's this intersection between the two concepts. And then what's missing? For me, my dissertation was about the impact of retirement on physical health for married couples, which is largely missing in the retirement literature, and a longitudinal aspect of this relationship. So for your literature map, I'd recommend thinking about the different factors that you've said that you were going to do for your topic for the semester. What is your independent variable? What is your dependent variable? Maybe some things about measurement, maybe some things about population, of like who has been studied. Has it been U.S. studies and international studies? Has it been teenagers versus adults? So maybe those are some of the different things that you can do. Now, a Venn diagram might be not the best way for you to do it. Maybe you want to do a table or a flow chart or some other kind of way. But this is just the way that my mind works. So I hope this example is helpful.